Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to another exciting cooking episode on Jindu's Recipes. Today, we're going to be making a very special delicacy that I'm sure you would love to enjoy with your family and your friends. We start by pouring in our oil into a preheated pan. Once it's poured in and heated, we'll be pouring in our onions to steam for 2 minutes. Once our onions is steamed, we'll be adding our cabbage that will be stirring properly into our onions mix so that it will properly combine. Our carrot goes right in. We'll be simmering our carrots for a minute. Once done, our yellow pepper goes right into the mix. Our red bell pepper, our green bell pepper also goes right in, and we'll be stirring all these our ingredients properly to combine. Once combined, we'll be adding our seasoning cubes into the mix, and we'll be stirring as well to combine all our ingredients well together. Do you love how colorful and how nutritious this meal is all coming together? We'll be adding our basmati rice into the preheated and the simmered vegetables. We'll be adding a little meat stock for some extra delicious flavor, and we'll be stirring to make sure it's combined. Our pepper goes right in for a little heat. Our salt goes right in. Stirring is very essential to combine all of our ingredients together. We'll be placing our already fried chicken into our prepared cabbage rice, and our cabbage rice is ready. Yes! We'll simmer for 30 seconds and it's good to go in my tummy. Yum yum yum. Now, do you have your plates? Let's serve our delicious cabbage rice and enjoy the delicious taste of this healthy and very lovely and yummylicious meal. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment.